Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. And guys, finally iOS 18 is here with some amazing new features. And in this video, we'll try to cover one feature which is really amazing and helpful. That is regarding iMessage. And in this video, we will see how you can schedule the messages on a iMessage on your iPhone. Yes, it is possible now. You can choose your own date and time to be delivered the messaging. So here, let's start the video and check out. So guys, first of all, do one thing. Go to your messages. Okay, open the chart, and here while typing in a keyboard, okay, at the left side, just tap on a plus icon. Okay, just go ahead and tap on a plus icon, and here just swipe up, and here there is a option, new option, that is your send letter. Just go ahead and tap on that. Once you tap on that, automatically above you will see one date, that is your today, it will say, and a timing. So just to customize it, just go ahead and tap on that, and here choose your own date and own time. Okay, choose it, and now come back, and below just type a message. So once you send that, automatically it will be scheduled, and as per your own set time and date, it will be delivered to that particular person, as you can see in the screen here. It is how simple to do it. I hope you got the video. I hope it helped you to understand how to use it. Okay, if yes, then please like the video and subscribe for such amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iOS update. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.